Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. During your test, you will have to navigate a number of required actions at an intersection. These will usually be controlled either by stop signs, traffic lights, or yield signs. You will encounter at least one intersection controlled by four-way stop signs, at least 4 intersections controlled by stop signs or traffic lights, at least 2 intersections controlled by a yield sign. One you will need to yield right of way, the other you will have right of way. You must be sure when to yield and when you have the right of way. Your Motus K53 manual clearly outlines all the procedures, and our video tutorials for stopping and moving off will remind you how to bring your vehicle to a stop and how to proceed when it is safe to do so. Should the traffic light change while you are stopping within an intersection, you may leave, if it is safe to do so, to avoid blocking the intersection. So, let's check your procedures for going straight through an intersection. Check rear view mirror. Adjust your speed as necessary. Look right, left, and ahead for traffic, approaching traffic, and pedestrians. Change gear if necessary and proceed. Avoid overtaking or changing lanes in an intersection if possible. Now, to proceed through an intersection turning right, check your rearview mirror, check your blind spot to the right, signal to the right, check your blind spot to the right again, steer into the appropriate lane, accelerate as necessary, and cancel signal. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.